Hello, welcome everyone on Electronic Teacher YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna guide you to insert page number in Excel as X of Y format, where X is the page number of the particular page and Y is total page number of your worksheet. Okay, let's jump there. I have Excel sheet open with dummy data copied from web. So please don't rely on this data. This is just for demonstration purpose. Well, we want to insert page number in X of Y format, right? So from the insert tab, text, and you can see header and footer icon there. Just click. As soon as you click, header and footer icon is active and ready for you. So you can play with this icon, header or footer. According to your requirement, choose header or footer. I'm going to insert on footer. So footer, then page 1 of question mark there. So 1 is the page number of that particular page and question mark, that is the total page number will be print. So page 1 of question mark, just click there. Now you can see it's already there, page 1 of O, that's in the first page. If you scroll down, page 2 of O, second page. If you would like to play with the text format, like the text style, color, size, just select and change accordingly. Now if you go and just print preview there, you can see easily. Hope this video is useful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done already, and give me a like or feedback that encourages me to create more video on future. Thank you.